Hi, my project idea is called Pedestrian. It's a smartphone app that'll use your Bluetooth and location services to communicate with new smart streetlights and autonomous vehicles. What it would end up doing is collecting data on average wait times to see if pedestrians and vehicles are efficiently moving through intersections. It would also collect data on jaywalking for strictly empirical information. The data would allow us to see intersections that are inefficient and also higher risk for vehicle and pedestrian collisions. Autonomous vehicles will also be added with an additional safety measure to the sensors on the vehicles that look for strictly the person and not just a digital connection. The goal of my app would be to license the technology to large cities developing a smart initiative and large automakers that are venturing into autonomous vehicles. In return, this technology would promote safety and better city planning. Typically, when you walk up to a crosswalk and hit the crossing button sign, nothing happens. It kind of looks like this. Wait. In order to get this up and running, I'll establish a contract with Amazon Web Services to provide me with IT, servers, and mainframes all through cloud computing because it'll help keep my upfront costs very low. This should be pretty feasible because AWS already has the GovCloud and other corporate contracts. I would then have to hire a mobile development team to code in JavaScript. The popular app Waze, which uses crowdsourced and real-time data, is coded in the same language. The second phase of this development will require an investment in infrastructure. Smart streetlights are one of the many informational things cities are introducing to collect data, be more efficient, and increase connectivity. I will embed these lights with iBeacons in order to supplement the phone's location services. Typically, iBeacons are used indoors, but the frequency of streetlights and lamps will create an effective field of communication while the pedestrian passes by or waiting at a crosswalk. To improve safety, the exact location isn't very important. It's the proximity that matters. I believe the 20 to 30 foot range that iBeacons have with Bluetooth is enough to communicate with a change in a streetlight and alerting autonomous vehicles going a typical 25 miles an hour in an urban area. I believe the fundamentals of the Pedestrian app can be created with today's technology. And going forward, we can see smarter and safer cities all across the country.